Hi everyone, today I try to create a full story with AI for kids. Now just here type the name of a story and description. Let's copy all this and go to ChatGPT and paste it, and ChatGPT will give me the title and prompt and all thing. Now let's copy the title first and go here and copy it. Let's presently copy it too. Go back here, paste it, and here let's copy this title to the subtitle. I will go ChatGPT here, copy it, go back to the AI story generator. I will paste it here, and here we choose the style of design. Let's choose anyone on this for, and this let's go back to ChatGPT and we'll copy the description for this story. Now let's paste it here and click generate. Now this AI tool will generate me a full story by type just a title and description. Now let's show the story it's generated. It's take some time. Now the story is ready. You can just write what you want to edit on here description, and we'll change all the story. And here I change the image, it's go better. Now let's click on save change, click generate story. This is my story, and here it's finished. That's it. It's finished. Now if you want to try this AI tool, I will leave the link in the description, and don't miss to like and subscribe for more AI tool review, and see you the next one.